All right. Oh boy, we hit that one hard. I lost my shoe, Cubby. All right, thank you. Oh, okay.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah. You ready? Here we go. Rock it a little bit like that. Huh. Why ain't that something? There you go. That's working. Oh. Oh, there we go.
Okay.
Whoosh, I just splashed myself. Oh boy. Oh boy. It's another one, ain't it? Oh no, it's a oh. Oh shoot. All I can do is laugh.
Yeah, I'd say you hit a big old rock.
Yeah, one that ain't gonna move. Oh man, that was some fun. There we go. Whew. Man, that's a pretty cool rock, ain't it?
Yeah.
It's just a big old wavy, flat rock.
Yeah.
Huh.
But it's like, I don't know, it's just wild looking.
Yeah. Oh, I'll be darned.
It's like all those ripples over the years have just caused
Yep.
ripples in the rocks.
Now, woo. Oh yeah, that was a good nerve. Oh man.
Good job, buddy.
Yeah, that was some fun there. Yeah, we're puttering right along now.
Hey, buddy. Man, beautiful. So beautiful out here.
Go out and do what you want to every day, you know.
Yeah, buddy.
Nature and beautiful stuff like this. Fish, hunt. Boy, there's a good trail right there, crossing trail. That'd be a good place to hunt right here. Might be the only crossing for miles. I know my Uncle Jim tells me there's only like 2 crossings in here for deer can
Really?
cross out of these bluffs.
Yeah.
Wow, look at this bluff coming up.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty stuff, man. Some of this stuff nobody's ever seen.
Yeah.
We're here at the waterfall.
Dude, that's gonna be a really great shot.
Yeah. The wild man shower. If you just had some shampoo, you'd be all right, wouldn't you?
Yeah, buddy. Oh. Man, that gets you wet quick.
I guarantee it's been used like that before.
Oh, yeah. Wild to think about.
Yeah.
You know?
Oh, yeah. Little overhang up there.
Yeah. Hangout spot. This is awesome.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool little spot. Yeah, that's a pretty cool spot. The recovery crew fighting our way. Oh boy, these rocks are slick. It almost looks like grinding bowls, kind of. I bet you that's what they use it. That's been used like that. It just looks to like a washing rock or something.
Oh, that right there.
Yep. There's big bluffs up in there. Big bluffs. Probably overhang shelters. Oh, don't you think we could do a lone show here?
Oh, yeah, buddy. This is the wildest country.
Yeah.
Inside of America.
Yep. You see all kinds of wildlife 24/7. Fish in here, pretty good. I mean, you have to fish for them. So, crawdads you can scavenge, pennywinkles. all kinds of plant life. Squirrels, deer, hogs, mink. Big bass right there. This is the walking trail, ain't it? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the walking trail is there. Little flat rock. I'm getting some good fish up here. Swimming by. One of them camouflage hogs. Yeah. I was following you when you were running about. Yeah. Uh-huh.
It's so stupid.
Oh yeah. There's a big track all through here. There's baby coon track too. Mom and her babies. Itty bitty. Over with my thumb. Be just right for a shish kebab stick. Ooh. That there is horsetail. And that is exactly what I washed my hair with in Canada. That was a mistake. I did clean my hair. It just breaks up so bad, it's hard to get out. Look at it though, there's a bunch of it. Here where I'm at in the hills, horsetail, that's crazy. Man, there's some tall horsetail over here, ain't it?
Yeah.
I wonder why it's so tall here and not down, you know, it wasn't like that in Canada.
Yeah, I don't know.
I made crop circles in Canada in the horsetail. It was so thick. I was doing crop circles in one of the scenes where it shows the drone taking off. They're actually taking off out of one of the crop circles. You can tell it if you look close.
That's pretty funny.
Yeah. Look at all the pennywinkles.
Yeah, a lot of them.
You know, if a person, you can eat those. You gather up a bunch of them, boil them in a pot.
Crunchy too.
Yeah, crunchy too. Get that. That's pretty funny. Here, it'll walk. You can boil those up. And you, I mean, right there, the natives used to eat those. You could find them in all their pottery and stuff. If you ever find any pottery laying on the creek banks, you can look at it and you can see little shiny stuff. It's these crushed up in it. Pretty cool. We've been finding the crawdads. That's a little bitty hole of water. It really panned out. Yeah, if we find that, oh man, there ain't no telling how many we'll find. We're getting a good little load of them, ain't we? Ooh, crawfish bull by the time we get done. Alright. Hold on, get the camera down there. You after you?
Yeah, he is. He got a problem.
Which side are you going? Right there. That was a good little hole. We loaded up over there. Finding a few. This is the struggle. Come on. Hold on, I'm gonna give us a push. Oh wait, here we go. Almost. I recorded all that.
That was awful.
Today in Arkansas Creek. Hey, we'll drag bottom. That's not that bad if we get it over the hump. Oh, that time I jumped in. It's me weighting it down.
A bowl shape, like perfect bowl.
Huh. Huh, that's pretty cool there. Pretty cool. All right. You got him. Cubby's got 2 handfuls. Now we're starting to catch them. Put him in here with his family. Yeah. A good pile. Out, you pinching little dog. You just wait. I'm gonna bite you later.
By your foot, by your foot, by your foot. Behind you.
I haven't seen him.
You're getting too.
Oh yeah, I see him. Here he is. Here he is.
You got him?
I don't know if I can get him. We're on the crawdad run. He's a big one. Chase him down, Billy. Chase him down. Here it comes, right there, in front of you. Got him. All right. That's good in there. All right. Oh, we got his buddies up in here trying to hide with it. Oh, he's in a predicament, wasn't he? That's the biggest of the day right there. They're in the county jail now, as Braxton would say. Hey, y'all, look at that old biggin in there. He caught old granddaddy.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah. Had to chase him down.
holy cow.
Yeah.
Bro, that is huge.
He was on the run too, had to chase him down.
Wow.
He put it in like 4 or 5 flipper drive, you know what I mean? He was hauling. he was going through them. I stole the canoe. Make him walk across the deep. Oh, oh. My front end's almost sticking straight up. Yeah, y'all swim that. I'll get it. Up, up. Bunch of boys playing in the creek, I tell you what. I ain't got no string. That's why I made my escape from. Right. That was close. We got a load of them. All right, we're back at the spot. We lost the GoPro. So I got Cubby, I got my brother. We're gonna find something, hopefully. It's still early in the morning. We got down here, we booked it. We got down here quick, so hopefully.
Like a fish.
All right. All right. Man, that is awesome. Thanks, guys. Heck yeah. That's all right. All right, man.
I think so.
Yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, wait, it came back on.
Oh, did it?
Yeah. Yeah, it came back on. All right. Hey. We see the end of it. We got a load of crawdads. Found the camera. Can't beat that.
Pretty darn good day, huh?
Pretty good day today. Oh yeah, they're in the hot tub now. Once they get back up to rolling bull, we'll let them run for about 10 minutes. They're cooking now, won't be long beating them. Cubby's shooting his bow. I'm about to go get my bow. I'm gonna shoot mine now. Alright, these are done. Yep.
Rusty is done.
That it is. Alright, I got the garlic butter going.
That's like what? Like something. Stock on.
Nice and good. Alright, guys.
Get ready.
Billy? Well, hang. Huh?
Yeah, I heard it. You saved the shells?
Huh?
You saved the shells?
Nah, I always throw them away. Pretty good stuff.
Yeah, buddy. Carl. Red that is. It's just perfect.
Can you help, son?
Probably. You know there's meat in claws, you know that, right?
Not that, it wasn't big enough.
Well, this one might be big enough. That's hot. I forgot it was hot. Look at me. Ow, you bit my finger.
You want the claw off, Ronnie?
Yeah, I like the claw.
You want some of this butter?
Oh, it's a big fine.
Okay.
Stuff.
I don't know how my dad does it, but he always.
Reminds me of being a kid, man.
You want one, Bo?
Sure. Nasty meat.
That's been a day or two ago, Dusty.
Hey,
Huh?
That's been a day or two ago.
why?
You had a whole meat.
Yeah. Do not.
What kind of meat?
Bacon.
Ow, you bit my finger.
That's small.
Yeah, that's insane, dude. That one was huge.
It's so hard when there's.
What do you think about them crawdads? Good
Oh,
stuff, huh?
delicious. Reminds me of being a kid, man.
Yeah. Well, that was good.